This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jeff Chancey. Second floor, 2-bedroom. 2-bath. Kitchen gutted and replaced. Non-load bearing wall removed, opening up the kitchen, making it feel much larger than other units in Woodside. Lots of custom cabinetry throughout. Easy maintenance with the H.O.A covering most everything on the outside: paint, roofs, pest, insurance, lawn, trash, even water/sewer is included. You'll enjoy all the activities offered at Woodside, including the heated pool. For more information, review the details below.